Alpha Speed Reading User Manual. Our course is making progress step by step. On the first day, it is beginning with 5 exercises and goes on 2 days. On the third day, you will continue with exercises numbered 1 to 9. On the 6th day, you will continue with exercise numbered 1 to 12. On the 7th day, you will continue with exercise numbered 1 to 15. On the 11th day, you will continue with exercise numbered 1 to 17. On the 14th day, you will continue with exercise numbered 1 to 19. On the 17th day, you will continue with exercise numbered 1 to 22. On the 20th day, you will continue with exercise numbered 1 to 26. On the 22nd day, you will continue with exercise numbered 1 to 30. Between the 24th and 45th days, you will do the exercises numbered that you see on the screen. You will do this exercise during 21 days. Please, watch raffle exercise videos before.